Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine. Guys, welcome to my channel with a very beautiful and new collection of hand embroidery ideas. But before going into the further details, I have one more news for you that we have introduced one more section that is at the end of each video we are sharing motivational quotes which have deep inspiration and some sort of deep idea concept-based images which have deep meaning beside them. So all we want you from you is to share your opinions, what you get from that concept, idea, or image, or what you feel about the motivational quote. And just share your opinions in the comment section below. So kindly make a habit of participating in the comment section and sharing your opinions and views with us. So now let's move back towards the main content, which is hand embroidery patterns. All of these beautiful patterns are borderline embroidery patterns which could be exquisitely designed for hemline embroidery. These patterns of embroidery could be used for designing the borders of your dupatta, shirt, scarf, pallu, sari pallu, strollers. Even you can make these very beautiful patterns of embroidery as sleeves embroidery patterns and sideline pocket embroidery, as front border embroidery, as trouser borderline embroidery, as a very beautiful pattern to your sari pallus as well. So the scope is not only limited to this, you can also use these very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery for designing different type of DIY decor items. Like you can make these very beautiful patterns of embroidery onto your tablecloth, cushions, pillows, pillow covers, bed sheets, quilt covers, tablecloth. Even you can also decorate your prayer mat. You can decorate your different type of AIY, different type of accessories like kitchen accessory. Like you can design your kettle covers, your different type of cylinder covers. Even air conditioner cover could be designed by making these very beautiful patterns. So the scope is not only limited. You can also design your DIY accessories like your everyday handbags that are made of pure fabric material or any type of denim material. You can make these borderline embroidery patterns to give them more creative and unique look. You can design your mobile cases. You can design your spectacles or glasses covers. You can design your baby girl dresses and many more creativities as per your choices. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns. And if you are a hand embroidery lover, but you don't know the art of hand embroidery, then you can save the favorite designs of your own, and you can show them to a nearby professional of hand embroidery, and you can get your designs done. And not only this, if you are a beginner and you are in search of very beautiful and creative patterns of embroidery, you can make use of these patterns by following the exact color combination. Now we will talk about the type of the fabric base. Now you are seeing different type of borderline embroidery patterns being used as sleeves embroidery, as shirt scarf embroidery, as different type of kurti sleeves, and many more creative ideas as per your choices. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and one more important thing, make a habit of please sharing comments that which design you like the most and why. And now it's the time for last part. What does this image have